Watching you step onto the stage tonight to celebrate your 18th birthday is moment that fills my heart with joy. That words can barely capture. It feels like just yesterday you were a tiny little thing. And now you stand before us, a truly magnificent young woman. This isn't just a birthday, it's your debut. Your grand entrance into the world of adulthood. The next few years will be some of the most exciting and transformative of your life. You now have the freedom to chase your wildest dreams. Make bold choices, start building the life you've always envisioned. I wish for you just to be yourselves. Sana palagi mo pa rin akong pagkasabihan kahit ano, walang secret. Kahit na hindi mo sinasabi kay mami mo yung iba. Yun lang. Sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo in life. And na palagi akong nandun sa world mo, sa life mo. Hindi mo ako makalimutan. Next is her mama. Sana matapos ang pag-aaral. Next is Nikki. Next, we have Kylie.
Birthday, Ate Pia. Have a nice day and have a happy birthday for the year. And the next birthday will be awesome because you're gonna turn bigger and bigger and bigger. And you can grow.
Now we have Brian.
It's Brian.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Tia. I hope you stay pretty. And always take care of yourself. Happy birthday. Next is Nani.
Congratulations on graduating from being called a minor and happy 18th birthday. Welcome to the world of adult where we just pretend to know what we are doing or just trying to pretend that we know what we are doing. Wishing you continued success and happiness and fulfillment in all that you do in life. And remember, it's free to dream, so chase all of your dreams.
Next, we have Sarah. Hi, sorry I came empty-handed, pero I wish you all the best and happy birthday. Next is Janice.
Happy 18th birthday, Sophia. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay stay as what you sweet lady and a good heart. And I wish na sana lang sa pangarap mo ay matupad mo with the guide of the Lord. Happy birthday.
Next,
your
we have
letter?
Vanessa.
The one that you make.
Hi Pia, happy birthday dear friend. I wish your dreams get fulfilled and you
Tiffany.
live the joyous life that God has planned for you. Have a great day.
Next is Ian.
Naintindihan ko sinanigisa sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Pia. Welcome to adulthood. Wishing you an exciting new chapter. Enjoyin mo lahat ng new adventures, good and bad, kasi may matututunan ka dyan. And wish ko lahat ng heart's desire mo matupad.
Sunny?
Trey.
Happy birthday, Pia, and welcome to a new beginning. I will give you a piece of advice that I wish I got given when I was 18. Looking good to feel good isn't about being vain. It's showing up for yourself through self-love, care, and respect. By taking care of yourself first, you won't need to seek validation because you know you can give it to yourself. If you need guidance, your family, your titos and titas are here for you. Happy birthday.
Bea.
Ayun yan ang may pumapalampas.
Hi Pia, happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best in life and always pray, always believe in yourself because you define your own success. Palagi kong makinig sa mami mo. Happy birthday!
Next is Helen.
Hi, Pia. May your 18th birthday be the beginning of life, full of happiness, success, and love. Embrace your journey with an open heart and a brave spirit. And have a year ahead that's wonderful in every way. Happy birthday.
Next, we have Gail.
As you blow this candle, please remember that this journey is just the beginning and not an ending. May your path be filled with laughter, wisdom, and endless possibilities. Always listen to your mother, okay? Happy birthday.
Now we have Princess.
Happy 18th birthday, Pia. Welcome to adult life. May your adult life be full of joy, freedom, and unforgettable memories. Wish you all the best.
Next is Anne.
Hi Sophia, happy 18th birthday. We may not know each other personally, but I'm so honored to be part of your special day. I'm wishing you all the best and may your life be filled with happiness and success. Happy 18th birthday.
Next is Michelle.
Hi Pia, happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best and good health always. Happy birthday.
And lastly, our Tita Pressy.
That's the tita of everyone.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and lagi makikinig yun.
Thank you to all our candle bearers. Sophia, may this 18 lights remind you that you are surrounded by love and support wherever you go.